Hey, this is your host. Today, we're going to do an executive report on Y-mAbs Therapeutics and their innovative SADA PRIT radioimmunotherapy platform. You can find more information in the description. Now, let's get started. 1. Value proposition. Y-mAbs is developing a next-generation radiotherapeutic platform known as self-assembly and disassembly or SADA PRIT radioimmunotherapy, PRIT. Unlike conventional approaches that link the tumor targeting component and radioactive payload together, Y-mAbs separates these functions. This allows for higher specificity, improved tumor-to-normal tissue ratios, and dramatically reduced systemic toxicity. Their modular system involves administering a tumor-targeting antibody tetramer followed by a radioactive payload like 𝗬-177 that only binds to the pre-localized antibodies in the tumor microenvironment. This results in enhanced safety, broader therapeutic windows, and a compelling foundation for treating hard-to-reach solid tumors and hematologic malignancies. Importantly, this platform avoids the limitations of traditional radiation therapy, which lacks tumor targeting and often damages healthy tissues along with the cancerous ones. 2. Market niche. The radiotherapeutics market is undergoing a major transformation driven by rising cancer incidence, limitations of cytotoxic therapies, and the surging demand for precision medicine. The market for targeted radiopharmaceuticals is expected to grow significantly over the next 5 years. Notably, the US FDA and global regulators are increasingly supportive of these technologies, granting expedited designations that compress development timelines and reduce regulatory burdens. Within this evolving landscape, Y-mAbs is uniquely positioned by offering a platform technology that is tumor-agnostic, modular, and scalable across oncology indications. SADA's design flexibility enables rapid adaptation to various antigens, supporting a pipeline within a platform approach, which is a highly attractive model for investors, partners, and acquirers in the biotech space. 3. Clinical development and pipeline. Y-mAbs is advancing to lead programs using its SADA PRIT platform. GD2-SADA Trial 1001 targets GD2-positive solid tumors such as high-risk neuroblastoma, small cell lung cancer, sarcoma, and melanoma. GD2 is a clinically validated and overexpressed antigen in several pediatric and adult malignancies. CD3-SADA Trial 1201 focuses on relapsed or refractory non-Hodgkin lymphoma. CD38 is a key immunotherapeutic target already exploited by approved drugs, lending confidence in target viability and clinical translatability. Both programs are in phase 1 clinical trials evaluating safety, pharmacokinetics, tumor uptake, and preliminary efficacy. Early data from these trials will be pivotal in de-risking the platform and could pave the way for additional regulatory designations like orphan drug or breakthrough therapy, which could attract strategic partnerships and propel the company toward value inflection. 4. Competitive landscape and IP positioning. The radiotherapeutics space is highly concentrated with Novartis, the market leader with FDA-approved radioligands such as Pluvicto and Lutathera, driving the commercial adoption of targeted radionuclide therapies. Eli Lilly recently entered the space via the acquisition of Point Biopharma, bringing manufacturing assets and clinical stage candidates focused on prostate cancer and neuroendocrine tumors. Rhysibio, now under Bristol Myers Squibb, is advancing radioconjugates targeting solid tumors, emphasizing alpha and beta emitter payloads. However, Y-mAbs distinguishes itself through its SADA architecture, which combines rapid tumor-specific binding with systemic clearance of unbound antibody, leading to higher tumor-to-background signal ratios. Moreover, the company holds robust intellectual property around its SADA constructs, antigens, and conjugation chemistries, providing a protective moat and licensing potential. 5. Financial outlook and sensitivity analysis. As of May 2025, Y-mAbs Therapeutics is trading at approximately $4.60 per share, giving the company a market cap of just under $200 million. The valuation is highly sensitive to clinical and regulatory outcomes over the next 3 years. We conducted a predictive sensitivity analysis outlining 5 possible scenarios with corresponding estimated impacts on stock price by 2027. In the worst-case scenario, no approval or clinical setback, lack of efficacy or safety concerns could reduce investor confidence, leading to a projected stock price of approximately $2.77. In a more moderate scenario, Phase 1 success only, if the ongoing trials demonstrate safety and limited efficacy, this could raise the share price to around $5.5. Greater optimism could arise if the company shows positive interim data from its trials and advances its pipeline into Phase 2. This, combined with a strategic partnership announcement, would signal external validation and pipeline de-risking, pushing the stock toward $9.24. Achieving a breakthrough therapy designation would drastically accelerate development timelines and bolster investor interest, raising the share price to approximately $12.94. Finally, in our bull case, FDA approval by late 2027 or early 2028, assuming peak enthusiasm and anticipated revenues, the stock could rise to around $18.48. These projections incorporate linearized valuation adjustments over time, accounting for investor sentiment, probability of success by development phase, and market adoption potential. 6. Strategic implications. Several strategic implications are on the horizon for Y-mAbs as the company progresses. Its platform approach and unique mechanism make it an attractive acquisition or licensing candidate, especially for large-cap pharma companies looking to bolster their radiotherapeutics portfolios. Additionally, Y-mAbs' modular pipeline supports portfolio expansion into multiple antigens and indications without rebuilding core chemistry or antibody frameworks. This flexibility allows for rapid diversification, reducing development risk. Furthermore, if interim data from trials 1001 and 1201 are positive, Y-mAbs will be well-positioned to negotiate lucrative partnerships for co-development, manufacturing scale-up, or global commercialization. Such deals could provide substantial capital, shared risk, and expanded capabilities, accelerating value creation for shareholders. In conclusion, Y-mAbs Therapeutics is emerging as a precision oncology innovator through its SADA PRIT platform, which combines targeted delivery with improved therapeutic index. With 2 clinical programs, a defensible IP estate, and entry into a rapidly maturing market segment, the company is poised to redefine the radiotherapeutics paradigm. While current valuation reflects early-stage uncertainty, projected clinical milestones and regulatory designations present multiple inflection points. Strategic partnerships, licensing, or eventual acquisition could significantly enhance shareholder value, making Y-mAbs a high-risk, high-upside biotech to watch over the next 36 months. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.